Hi guys, welcome to this quick review video about the Taeozi batteries, and if I think it's a good battery or bad battery, or like a good or bad manufacturer. I'm not sure if it's even a manufacturer. Maybe they're just buying some random batteries and selling them under their brand name. It's very difficult to find out. I haven't found a lot about this brand, but they're selling a lot of LG batteries, some Samsung, I think even some iPhone batteries, and some other like 1.5 volts or 3.7 volts lithium ion batteries. This is a battery which I've been using about for 9 months on my LG G5, my old phone, which I'm still using to make my YouTube videos, and actually also the video which you are watching now. But I'm using now a different battery, and the reason is this one here. If you look at it, I hope you can see that it's quite bulged, and if it gets warm it gets even more bulged. This is absolutely crazy. I mean, yeah, maybe you can see that now here. It's a little bit difficult to focus. I just noticed the screen of my LG G5 was bulging heavily. It almost exploded, and I mean, this was not the first battery which caused some problems in the LG G5. I had already some other batteries which had similar effect. So in general there is some problem, of course, with some batteries for the LG G5. Maybe some manufacturers are producing these things and then they are sold under different brand names. I really no clue, but for me definitely this is not working. Taeozi, this battery, and if a brand sells such cheap stuff, not tested, not really tested, and inflating after such a short time, which could also then harm your expensive products, I would stay away from this brand. But apart from that, I mean, it has been working pretty reliable. The charge, I would say it was charging as much as other batteries. Here I think it's saying 3600, 800, something like that, and it was holding the charge pretty long. So I'm not complaining about the performance, but I'm complaining about that it's inflating after only 9 months. This definitely shouldn't happen. And that's it for now already. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, just let me know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.